This is a place where you put the soap and other stuff like water.
Here you can put the
Soap and here
softener, water softener.
water. And this is where you keep your clothes for washing. And there are many modes according to your clothes. Socks, they are really dirty and we have not done anything. We're gonna just not brushed it at all, not put it in water. And look at the color of this uniform. So just look at how clean the clothes are. And look at the socks, how clean they are. Just look at them, they're so clean. Now let's just take the clothes out and we'll show you. So guys, now you can see it's really clean now. You can just look at it, it's so clean and so white. And its interior heater is so good, it can wash up to 90 degrees. And its dryer is so good that you can just iron it and wash it after, and like you can iron it and wear it after a few minutes. And so it's really good. It's really good. It's not all wet. So that's a really good point.